Hello guys, now we're gonna analyze the data from Kaggle. The reason why we're doing this because I want to show you how to analyze the data so you can analyze any type of data. It's simple and has a high rating of usability. Kaggle has a usability system. In that system, if a data have a high usability, then you can use it easily. I mean, there's not so much error in that data. Anyway, my data is about best-selling books between 2009 and 2019 in Amazon. So there's 7 different variables, not much, but yeah. Um, like I said, it's easier than normal. So as you can see, we are importing some of the libraries. I'm getting that data from my GitHub because it's easier, and I didn't want to save on my drive. Like if I send this to someone, that person can easily open this without any importing stuff. So as we can see here, types are object, float, int, object. I'm showing the averages here and max ones. I use it. I use like this because I didn't wanna include the include the genre and author and name. So that's why I use it like this. And this describe is where literally describe it and it's super easy to see to see your data summary. So in this data analysis project, I have some kind of questions, and these graphs are here for answering them. So the first question is how the popularity of best-selling books genres changed in recent years. So as we can see, nearly all of the years non-fictions were more popular than fiction ones. So this is really easy, and as we can see here, uh, there's a lot of codes in here. So I'm gonna tell it why I didn't use that codes in here because I didn't want to erase any codes, erase any data. Sorry, erase any data because this is a popularity data, and I don't have a problem with extreme data. Like if some book has an extreme review or user rating, or extremely lower user rating, it doesn't you know broke the data complexity. I think. So the second question is how does price affects reviews and user ratings? So this is a hard question, and to be able to answer it, as you can see, categorize the user ratings as 0 to 4.25, 4.25 to 4.5, and etc. As you can see here. So I use them as hue, like here. I don't know how to read this. I don't know how to pronounce it. So in here hue, there's a different colors, but as you can see, this data doesn't show anything, and it's super ugly. Like because of this extreme data, as you can see here. Some of them is really high, really high, and some of them have really high reviews. So with these codes in from here, you can see here, we are cleaning the extreme data. We are giving them score, and we are just not including them. So now we have a more clean data, as we can see here, and also we can see there's no change in you know, in there is no relationship between review and price and user rating. But some of the free books has a high ratings, as you can see here. Most of them is green and red. So there's nothing else to see in this graph. Does reviews affects user rating? So you can easily see it because this graph is really amazing. You can see the meridian, the average, and the line. They just draw line to meridian, and there's also data in here. So as you guys can see here, reviews, while the user rating is going increases, reviews increase too. It's more on non-fiction, lesser on fiction, but still. Does best-selling books becomes more expensive? As you can remember, this data is from best-selling books from 2009 to 2019. Does price of them are increased? No, actually, you can see here a little bit decrease. Um, the fiction one has a better decrease, but non-fiction one. How does review change in recent years? I mean, the best-selling books, there's warnings because of they can't they don't have a free space enough. But I don't think it must be such a problem, because you can easily see here, like you can see there's a more um, more density in these areas. As you can see, it's like if there was a linear meridian, linear on average, line in average, you can see the line like this, like this, slightly increased, but yeah. So as how does review change in recent years? Review is just slightly increased in recent years. Yeah, we can also see the fiction one has a higher, always on a higher reviews when you compare to non-fiction ones. So what kind of relationship user rating and price have? So this line graph is showing us that there is slightly decrease uh, at user rating while the prices goes high. I mean, if you wanna write a book that you know you want to be publish a book that you want it so sells more, and you should lower the price as much as you can. You can understand that from this graph, where when prices go low, the user rating increases. So thanks for today. That